Getting started with tile installation, here are the essential tools you'll need and how to use them. Used to make straight cuts on ceramic or porcelain tiles. Ideal for fitting tiles around edges or corners. Helps spread tile adhesive evenly on the surface. The size of the notch depends on the size of the tile. Tile spacers are essential for achieving a clean and professional-looking finish. They help maintain even spacing between tiles, ensuring uniform grout lines across the entire surface. Always place spacers at the corners of each tile and remove them before the grout sets to avoid them getting stuck in the joints. Gently taps tiles into position without cracking them. Ensures full contact with adhesive underneath. Ensures your tile surface stays flat and even. Use it frequently during installation to avoid uneven tiles. Used to spread grout into tile joints and ensure even filling. Typically made of rubber for smooth application. Get all the tools ready and let the transformation begin.